Here's how to set your favorite apps as default in Android in just minutes. For this, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Look for Apps and tap on it. Here, select Default Apps at the top. Here, you'll see different app categories. Tap on the category you want to change, for example, the Browser app. Choose your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Opera. Your new default browser will be applied instantly. Change the default caller ID and spam app. Go back to the previous page and open caller ID and spam app. Choose the app you trust, like Truecaller, if it's installed. Spam detection will now use your selected app. Change the default Home app. Go back to Default Apps. Then tap on Home app. And choose your preferred launcher, like Microsoft Launcher. Your phone will now use Microsoft Launcher for the Home UI. Change the default Phone app. Return to Default Apps. Then tap on the Phone app. Here, select your preferred calling app, such as Truecaller. From now on, your selected app will handle outgoing and incoming calls. Change the default messaging app. Go back to the Default Apps menu and tap on SMS app. Then select the messaging app you want to use, like Truecaller. All future text messages will open in your selected app. And finally, manage opening links. Return to the Default Apps page and tap on Opening Links at the bottom. Here, scroll down and select any installed app. Choose whether supported web links should open in that app or in a browser. And that's it. Your Android phone will now use your preferred apps as the default for everyday tasks.